Good afternoon. Our topic for today is all about the common skin infection. What is skin infection? Skin is the largest organ of our body. Its function is to protect our body from infection. Sometimes the skin itself becomes infected. Skin infections are caused by a wide variety of germs, and symptoms can vary very mild to serious. Mild infection may be treatable with over-the-counter medication and home remedies, whereas other infections may require medical attention. And bacterial skin infection often begin as a small red bump that slowly increases in size. Some bacterial infections are mild and easily treated with topical antibiotic, but other infections required an oral antibiotic. And we have a bacterial skin infection types. We have a cellulitis. It's a deep infection of the skin caused by bacteria. It usually affects the arms and legs. It can also develop around the eyes, mouth, and anus, or on the belly. Normal skin can be affected by cellulitis, but it usually happens after some type of injury causes a skin break, including trauma or surgery. And we have impetigo. It's a common and highly categorical skin affection that mainly affect infants and young children. It usually appears at reddish sores on the face, especially around the nose and mouth, on the hand and face. And we have a ball is a faithful post-filled bump that form under your skin when bacteria infect and inflame one or more of your hair follicles. A carbuncle is a cluster of bulbs that form a connected area of infection under the skin. And we have Hansen disease, also known as leprosy. It's an infection caused by a slow-growing bacteria called Mycobacterium leprae. It can affect the nervous skin, eyes, and leading to the nose or nasal mucosa. With early diagnosis and treatment, the disease can be cured. And next, we have viral skin infections are caused by virus. This infected range from mild to several viral skin infection are wide group of condition. They can be a reaction on the virus inside your body, or they can be an actual infection of your skin. They range from the entirely harmless to the quite serious but not usually life-threatening. Some are contagious, other you can touch without catching. And also we have a different types of viral skin. We have Shingless is caused by the varicella zoster virus. The same virus can cause chickenpox. There are treatment of Shingless symptoms, but there is no cure. There are vaccines against Shingless and potyphotic aurelia. Next, we have a chickenpox. An infection caused by varicella zoster virus. It causes to enchiras with small fluid-filled blister. Chickenpox is highly contagious to people who have then had the disease or been vaccinated against it. And we have molluscum contagiosum infected caused by an box virus. This result of the infection is usually begin mild skin disease characterized by lesions, growth that may appear anywhere on the body. And we have warts, are a type of skin infection caused by the human papillomavirus virus or HPV. The infection causes through skin color pump to the form on the skin. The virus is contagious. You can get wart from touching someone who has them. And we have fungal skin infection. This type of skin infection are caused by a fungus and are most likely to develop in damp areas of the body, such as the feet or armpit. Some fungal infections are not contagious, and these infections are typical non-life-threatening. And also we have a different types of fungal skin. And we have athletes. Foot is a fungal skin infection that usually begins between the toes. It commonly occurs in people whose feet have become very sweaty while confined within tight-fitting shoes. Signs and symptoms of athlete's foot include the itchy and scaly rash. And we have the fungus candela. Candela albicans is responsible for most vaginal Vaginal yeast infection. Your vagina naturally contains a balanced mix of yeast, including candida and bacteria. Certain bacteria act to prevent an overgrowth of yeast. And we have ragworms. It's caused by two types of fungus that eats keratin. These are called dermatophytes. Dermatophytes attack the skin, scalp, or hair, and nails because those are the only parts of the body with enough keratin to attract them. And we have nail fungus. It's a common condition that begins as a white or yellow spot on the tip of your fingernail or toenail. As a fungal infection goes deeper, nail fungus may cause your nail to discolor, thicken, and crumble at the edge. It can affect several nails. And we have oral thrush, produce slightly raised, creamy white, sure fungus in your mouth or on your tongue. Oral thrush, also called oral candidiasis, is a condition in which the fungus candida albicans accumulates on the lining of your mouth. And we have deeper rash is a common form of inflamed skin that appears as a patchwork of bright red skin on your babe bottom. Diaper rash is often related to wet or infrequently changes diapers, skin sensitivity, and chafing. It usually affects babies through anyone who wear a diaper regularly can develop the condition. And that's all for today. Thank you.